I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select MailPoet. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailPoet. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate to MailPoet. Then go to Subscribers. Here is the data that came into MailPoet through the integration. Thanks for watching.